G'day, it's Mark and welcome back to the channel. And I thought I'd show you this car. It's quite interesting. It's a 1993, I think it is, Buick Roadmaster. Just got out of storage and was taking it for a spin and checking the tyres and giving it some fuel, fresh fuel and that sort of stuff. So I thought I'd take the opportunity to show you guys and share the car. So the Buick Roadmaster was built from, I think, 1992 through to about, I think, 96. And full-size car built off the same platform as the Cadillac Fleetwood. If you check out the channel, you'll see my video on my white 96 Fleetwood. That's got the LT1 engine. This has got the Vortec engine. This is the earlier engine. 350 cubic inch, 5.7 litre fuel injection. And this is a Californian car. It was a one-owner car. It's got higher mileage, but, you know, still a nice, clean car. No rust or anything like that. The paint's quite good on it as well. And I've always loved these big cars. The Oldsmobile Custom Cruiser, the Chevy Caprice, and the Cadillac, as I said, were all built on the same platform. The Buick Roadmaster was available as a wagon, as was the Oldsmobile for a short period of time, and the Chevy Caprice. Cadillac was sedan only. Cars were built in Arlington, Texas, until they converted the plant to a truck plant because there was more volume and profit. But these cars were really harking back to the previous rear-wheel drive platforms that were introduced in 1977, and then they had this aero body style on a full-frame chassis. It has wire-wheel hubcaps. I don't like those. I've actually bought a set of Buick Roadmaster alloy wheels for it, so that will I'll be fitting those with white wall tyres, and the rub strips as well. I've got those in the back of the car, so I've got to reattach those. They've got a habit of coming off. It's chrome underneath, so it doesn't look too bad. But you can see it's quite a big car. You can see here, built in Arlington, Texas. This area here, the little vent, it's a bit like the venti port, which is a Buick trademark. But this section here is a light at night time that just a little like a parking light type thing. You can see there, Roadmaster Limited. They're a big car, and they're designed to look big. You can see the tail lights there. I really like the back of these. I do like a wagon. I'd love to get a wagon one day, but I'm happy with this car at the moment. It's not perfect, but it's in nice condition, and it certainly drives well. Lots of room in the back, power windows, cruise control, central locking. Probably never even, ashtrays never even used in the back. They're the rub strips I was mentioning before. You can see nice headlining, full leather interior with the pull down armrests. See the power seats. And also power lumbar and recliner as well. It's part of the limited package. See the nice wood grain dash there if you like fake wood, which I do. Buick Roadmaster, nice big flat dashboard because of the angle of the screen. Got your little flip up cup holders and console there. And then the limited in the headrests. And just moving around to the front. As I say, they're pretty big cars. There's a little bit of tidying up here and there, but I think once I've got the white walls and correct a couple of scuffs here and there and just give the car a nice polish. I mean, it's got a shine on it anyway. It'll look tremendous. I think it looks tremendous now. I love that front end, that Buick sort of rounded grille, which is a throwback to the old Buicks of the 40s and 50s. Just raise the bonnet there. You can see the grille goes up with the bonnet. Original Californian car, and that's the 5.7 litre fuel injected V8. It's the Vortec engine. Yeah, so it's good. Gives good power. The LT1 has a lot more power, but this is fine. Plenty of power in this car. They're just made for cruising anyway. So there you are. Go around to the driver's area. The vinyl, the leather I should say, on the seats, a little bit worn. I'm going to get some leather colouring for that and fix that up. Same with that, that'll come up fine. See all the controls, central locking, power mirrors, tilt wheel, grab handle, power locks. Then you've got the lumbar support and the power recline, airbags in this car. Also, it's quite nice. My 96 Fleetwood's got all digital dash, whereas the Roadmaster, they actually put full gauges in there. So you got volts, temperature, fuel, oil, tacho, which is quite nice. I think it's a nice change. You got the stereo system there. Then you got the automatic climate control controls there, and then Dyna Ride, which is the Buick's nice smooth spongy ride that they offer. And then little storage area in there, and then ashtray, not used at all, so obviously a healthy, probably senior citizen. So anyway, look, that's thought you'd just like to see that quick grab. So let's go for a bit of a spin now. It's quite sensitive to the throttle. I think the idle is slightly too high. I notice it wants to sort of fight against the brakes a little bit. I think it needs to be adjusted down. But the ride is really nice and smooth. I love that, quite a big bonnet with a nice Buick Tri-Shield bonnet emblem there. That looks really, really terrific. If you've never driven one of these big American cars, I know some people really criticize them, saying they're big boats and they float along and all that kind of stuff. Yeah, that's true, but you know, if you've done any big miles in America, you'll know that these cars are terrific in terms of interstate. You can drive all day, they're so comfortable, you know, they really are terrific. So I rate them very highly. I think people who criticize them, generally people who've never owned one or never really driven in one. So yeah, that's my opinion anyway, but yeah, I love this car, it's terrific. Just a beautiful, big, cruising monster. So, really cool. Yeah, they're just a pleasure to drive, these cars. Nice and quiet, smooth ride, spongy ride. You know, if you want to go through the mountains and, you know, throw the car into the corners and all that sort of stuff, probably not the best car for that purpose. But, you know, if you just want to cruise along in comfort with, you know, up to 6 people in the car, full of luggage and everything else, and then get out feeling refreshed, you can't beat these cars. They're just terrific. So there you have it. So please give the Buick Roadmaster a thumbs up, something a little bit different for the channel. Hit that subscribe button if you're not already subscribed. Really appreciate your comments. I answer everyone's comments. So thanks again for watching. We'll see you next time. Bye.